All right, so let's talk about Amazon FBA to Retail MBA, how to scale your e-com business into a big business. So many of you are selling on Amazon and you really want to scale your e-com business. You want to scale it and make lots and lots of money and grow and probably eventually sell and or leave this as a legacy business and so forth for your kids or whatever the reason is for you. You're trying to grow your business out. And I'm here to tell you that almost all of the top Amazon sellers are looking at different distribution strategies to generate more revenue for their company beyond Amazon. So the people who are just getting started on Amazon, they typically stay on Amazon for a while, try to grow their business and so forth, and they just get hyper-focused on one strategy. The top sellers don't do that. They are actually looking for diversification. Why are they doing that? Because they know that one day they'll probably want to sell their company or do something with their company, and they need to sell more and bring in more volume and dollars. And they know that they cannot rely on one resource to generate all of their revenue, which would be Amazon. So what they're doing is they're actually looking at strategies like selling to Walmart or Macy's or Kroger grocery store or Bed Bath & Beyond or Best Buy. And they're looking to figure out how to do that. And so if you really want to scale your e-com business, you need to figure out how to get your product into other distribution strategies. And retail, big retail, is the number one way I've seen that people can go from having a small to mid-sized business to how to go to a massive business. I have customers who literally have been selling to one retail chain for 14 years straight. They get reorders every single month and they do so consistently. I have other clients who literally just started and suddenly get a change order, and it does so well that they just make millions upon millions of dollars with one retail chain. This happens all of the time. And the question for you is, why are you not considering expanding beyond Amazon? Retail is an amazing way to generate revenue, grow your business, scale your business, and take you to the next level. And trust me, as soon as you start getting into retail chains and people start seeing your products on store shelves, very cool things happen. I've had clients who get their products in a retail chain, suddenly they got asked to be on Shark Tank and other TV shows, or they asked to work with other retail chains, suddenly call them and ask for orders and purchase orders without them having to do anything. Or suddenly they get on TV and start selling at HSN and QVC and make millions of dollars there. Or something happens where the catalyst of change occurs because they went bigger than what they were currently doing. And retail chains is a huge catalyst. Millions upon millions of people will take a look at your product. And these are all new customers as well. So I'm obviously a big proponent on selling products to retail chains. My name is Karen Waksman, again, founder of Retail MBA. And so if you want to learn the strategies on exactly how to do that and how to prepare your product for chain stores, how to get buyers to pay attention to your product, how to grow your business from Amazon to retail, take a look at our website, retailmba.com. That's retailmba.com. We have free content, and we also have coaching and training and all sorts of amazing events that we do where we partner with retail chains, and we'd love to help you out. So definitely take a look at retailmba.com, sign up for some of our free stuff, and keep in touch with us. When you're ready to get into retail, I assure you that you won't be disappointed. It can be the most amazing thing for your business and your bottom line. Karen Waksman, Retail MBA. Check us out.